Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on wedding costs with the Not Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Not website or download the app. Create a free account by providing your email address and setting a password. Set your wedding date and location to access Explore the budget tools available on the platform. Use the budget calculator to outline your estimated costs. Adjust the budget slider to see how changes affect overall expenses. Browse vendor categories such as venues, photographers, and caterers. Read reviews and compare prices from different vendors. Use the Knots checklist to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Access exclusive discounts available through the Knot for various vendors. Utilize planning tools to manage guest lists and RSVPs efficiently. Consider using recommended packages that fit your budget. Take advantage of seasonal promotions for wedding-related services. Review articles and tips to identify additional money-saving strategies. Engage with community forums for advice from other couples. Schedule consultations with preferred vendors through the platform. Remember to negotiate for better rates based on your budget. Keep a close watch on your spending using the Knots tracking tools. Regularly update your budget as you finalize decisions and contracts. Celebrate your savings as you plan your dream wedding without breaking the bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.